Hey, gearheads and luxury lovers. Welcome back to CAR Upcoming, where we dive deep into the future of wheels. Today, we're unleashing the 2027 Lexus LBX. Lexus's bold leap into the compact luxury crossover game. Sleeker than ever, smarter tech, and hybrid muscle that laughs at gas pumps. Is this the urban escape pod you've been waiting for? Stick around as we break down the exterior, interior, engine specs, price tag, potential pitfalls, and why it might just steal your heart or your wallet. Hit that like button if you're ready, subscribe for more futuristic rides, and let's roll. First up, the outside, because first impressions matter, right? The 2027 LBX evolved from its 2024 debut with a sharper, more muscular stance. But don't let the compact size fool you. This thing screams presence. The signature spindle grille? Now slimmer and illuminated with adaptive LED matrix headlights that pivot with your steering, piercing fog like a sci-fi laser. New for 27, hammerhead taillights that wrap around the rear, giving it a predatory glare. Aerodynamics hit a drag coefficient of just 0.28 thanks to active grille shutters and flush door handles that pop out on approach. 8-inch alloys standard with optional 20s in forged black. It's got that Lexus spindle DNA, but feels fresher, fiercer, like if the UX had a gym membership and an attitude upgrade. Rain or shine, this exterior turns heads without shouting. Slide inside, and boom, you're in a sanctuary. The cabin's a masterclass in minimalism meets opulence. Soft-touch leatherettes, real wood inlays, and Alcantara options wrap every surface. Dual-zone climate keeps it perfect with NanoX air purification zapping viruses mid-commute. The star? A massive 14-inch floating touchscreen running the latest Lexus Interface OS. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and AR navigation that overlays directions on the real world. Below it, physical knobs for climate and volume, because Lexus knows touchscreens aren't for everything. Rear seats? Surprisingly roomy for 419 liters of cargo, expanding to 1,200 with seats folded. New ambient lighting pulses 64 colors to your mood. Sync to music via the 10-speaker Mark Levinson system. Mark Levinson? Yeah. That audiophile-grade setup thumps harder than your average subwoofer. It's quiet too. Active noise cancellation makes highways feel like a library. Compact outside, cavernous inside. Pure Lexus magic. Under the hood, the 2027 LBX packs a 2.0-liter EFWD hybrid straight-four, churning 196 horsepower and 206 Nm torque. No pure EV yet, but plug-in hybrid rumors swirl for later trims. It sprints 0 to 100 km per hour in 7.5 seconds, punchy for its class, and tops out at 180 km per hour. Efficiency? A stellar 25 km per liter combined, thanks to a lighter battery pack and Regan braking that juices back 20% on descents. FWD standard, AWD optional with torque vectoring for snowy Aceh hills or rainy banding runs. Smooth CVT shifts like butter, and EV mode handles city traffic silently up to 70 km per hour. Money talks. The 2027 LBX starts at around $42,000 for the base urban trim, climbing to $52,000 for the loaded signature with AWD and Levinson audio. Worth it. Standard Lexus safety system plus 3.0 includes adaptive cruise, lane tracing, and emergency steer assist. 7-year warranty sweetens the deal. Rivals like the Audi Q2 or BMW X1 charge more for less hybrid efficiency. Factor resale, Lexus holds value like a vault. Budget buster? Maybe, but it's an investment in smiles per kilometer. No car's perfect, so let's talk risks. Reliability? Lexus hybrids are tanks, but early LBX reports flagged infotainment glitches. Fixed via OTA updates by 27. Common gripes. Rear headroom tight for tall folks over 185 centimeters, and cargo space lags behind a CR-V. Fuel economy dips in stop-go traffic to 20 kilometers per liter. Resale might soften if full EVs flood the market by 2028. Theft risk? Low, thanks to facial recognition start. Maintenance? Dealer networks are solid in Indo, but parts wait times can sting. There you have it, the 2027 Lexus LBX. Compact luxury done right, blending style, smarts, and sippy efficiency. Dream garage material or overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you daily this beast? If this revved your engine, smash like, subscribe for more 2027 previews, and ring the bell. Check the description for affiliate links to test drive one. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, stay luxurious. Peace.